Hello friends, today I have bought two best Bluetooth headphones that you can buy for less than 1000 rupees from Amazon. It can be worked on mobile as well as laptop. It can also work with aux cable for unlimited entertainment. If you wish to purchase any of them, the link is given in the description box. Before you start the video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start the video.
Presenting the leaf-based wireless Bluetooth headphones. This headphone comes with built-in hi-fi microphone enabling you to take calls easily while on the go. The headphones are also enabled with passive noise cancellation. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, it gives you 10 hours of music playback with 2.5 hours of charge. Standby duration on single charge is 300 hours. You can also listen to music through the evergreen aux port that works even with no charge. The headphones are fitted with ultra-soft cushion ear cups and headband cushion for comfortable all-day usage. It is also sweat-proof, making it ideal for gym and sports. The headphone comes with the Bluetooth 4.1. The 40mm drivers deliver crisp sound and deep bass. The inline remote allows you to adjust the volume, play or pause and skip tracks, or take calls, talk to your voice assistant, all without reaching out for your phone. This headphone is available in black. Inside the box, you will find the headphones, USB cable, aux cable, manual and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.
Hope you like the video. Please tell us in the comment box. Bye bye.